Authority camps provide kids with a thrilling and memorable summer camp experience. Our camps are safe, affordable, and convenient, where children can develop skills, form friendships, and enhance self-esteem. We have high-quality summer camp programs that include skill development in the sports-related camps and also social and physical development in all of our camps. The fun and sports full-day camps also offer swim time, and children have the ability to do free swim every day and also learn a little bit about water safety. We also have nature camps, adventure camps, and excursion camps.
Come out to play!
I like summer camp because you can do a lot of cool things, like learning how to play a new sport.
I love tennis camp because I was able to improve my serve and backhand.
When I say go, you're going to throw your ball over to the other side. The object of the game is to throw it in the green or in the white, because there's nothing finer than a liner, in the white or the green, and the object is to get all the balls on one side of the court. All right, everybody understand the rules? All right, on your mark, get set, go. Throw it in the green, keep it in the green.
It's a lot of fun. We work on tennis skills, but we make games into the skills. They learn teamwork, they learn how to watch the ball, they learn how to hit a forehand, they learn all the strokes in tennis, but they do so in a fun way.
All right, you guys, remember, you start with your feet together. When you hit that high V, you step apart. Okay? Remember facials, cheese it up. You want to be smiley and like, oh my God. Okay?
And at cheer camp, it's for girls who are either novice all the way up to all-stars, and they're the ones that compete in cheer. So all different levels are here, and we learn all the different aspects of cheer.
Split that B, dot that I, knock that T, O, that's victory. We got it. Go, big blue.
We have motions, we do tumbling, we do the cheers, the chants, we do double mini tramp, all the different things that are required to do cheer.
Stick it. Nice. There you go. You got that.
All right, guys. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to learn how to go off this quarter pipe right here. Now what you're going to do is you want to go up to the quarter pipe, moderate speed, get your feet in the position that I taught you earlier called 2-4. All right. You're going to go up to the ramp. Right when you hit the coping, right when you hit it, you're going to pop it up and you're going to level out. Suck your feet up to your chest and spot your landing. And then ride away like a champ. All right, so why don't you try it out, Tanner? Level out this time, Tanner.
Hit that rail.
I think it's a great form of exercise for the kids. I think any kid who is involved in inline skating or skateboarding, I think it's a great way for them to learn new skills. The best way to learn new skills is to learn from people who know them and then to have a chance to practice them.
Really what we're just trying to do is we're trying to teach the kids the basics. Like I was teaching the inliners just how to roll over this box right here.
Keep it pushing.
And it's not really hard, it's just something basic task. And some of the kids we have are very basic, they can't do much. We just try to put them in, just see what they can do.
It's wonderful that we have opportunities that we can put our children into camps in the summer so they are active, they're not in the house by themselves. There's a lot of working parents these days, and it's a wonderful opportunity for kids to be outside, have fun with their friends, meet new friends, keep active, so they really have a great time.
Fairfax County Park Authority summer camps give children exceptional and unforgettable fun that makes for meaningful childhood memories. So, come out to play. It's a guaranteed cure for summer boredom. Camp slots can fill up fast, so don't wait until the last minute, because even though it's not summer yet, it's never too early to start making summer plans. For more information about our camps, call 703-222-4664 or check out our Park Takes magazine that's mailed quarterly.